Did you know that the habits kids develop early in life often stick with them as they grow? Teaching your child to enjoy healthy foods can set the stage for a lifetime of wellness. Here are some practical tips to help you build healthy eating habits in your little ones. Tip 1. Involve your kids in meal planning. Start by letting your kids choose fruits and vegetables at the store. This gives them a sense of ownership and makes them excited about eating the foods they picked. You can even let them help with simple tasks in the kitchen, like washing veggies or stirring ingredients. Tip 2. Make meals fun and creative. Kids love fun. Arrange their food in playful designs like smiley faces or animal shapes. Use colorful fruits and veggies to make the plate appealing. When meals look like art, kids are more likely to give them a try. Tip 3. Be a role model. Children often mimic their parents. If they see you enjoying a salad or snacking on an apple, they'll be more inclined to follow suit. Show them that healthy eating can be tasty and enjoyable. Tip 4. Eat meals together as a family. Family meals are a great time to bond and create a positive eating environment. Turn off the TV and put away gadgets to focus on the food and each other. Kids are more likely to try new foods when they see everyone else eating the same thing. Tip 5. Start small and gradual. Offer small portions and don't pressure them to clean their plate. Let kids decide when they're full. This helps them listen to their body's hunger and fullness cues, promoting healthy attitudes toward food. Tip 6. Introduce new food slowly. It's normal for kids to be hesitant about new foods. Introduce one new item at a time and pair it with something they already like. Patience is key. Sometimes it takes a few tries before they start to enjoy it. Building healthy eating habits doesn't have to be a battle. By making it fun, involving your kids, and setting a great example, you can help your children develop a lifelong love for nutritious foods. Start small and remember, every positive step counts.